morning, everyone. So it is Wednesday. We are in Westbury. We are rebuilding this waterfall. So they had this built many years ago. They've adjusted and tweaked it themselves because things have never been great with it. They love the idea of having it because they have a nice backyard, outdoor kitchen space, patio, table, fire pit. They love sitting out here. They look from the house out at it. This not so much. So we're gonna work in today and part of tomorrow just because can't tell, but it's raining again. Yeah, that's been our life. We're gonna take this apart, rebuild it. The back half of it is actually a cinder block wall that we're not gonna touch. We're gonna do what we call, or what I've called the facelift, where the rocks are gonna come out, snap my fingers, something new gets built. So guys are getting boulders and stuff out, got to get some rock pad down. We're gonna get this stuff ripped out and throw it in the truck, and then we're gonna start building something new. So let's get moving. Is that working? I don't know. I keep changing the end word. The guys are starting to break this down, and sure enough, you know, it's always good to have a nice piece of steel mixed in, you know, because that's not going to cause rust or anything, especially not into a pool. Oh, with a piece of rebar. We've got this top layer of cement, cinder block we're going to take off as well. We're going to lower this height down. So for some reason by us, I've seen a bunch of it. People build these pool waterfalls with a biofalls. For whatever reason, I don't know. It doesn't do anything. It's not, there's no biological end of it. A spillway works so much better, but that's what they have. We're gonna start taking this apart. Dan was pulling the liner out, and this poor guy was behind the liner here. So we're gonna relocate him. What's up, buddy? We're gonna put you in a new home to keep out of this area. Yeah, things have changed a bit. Got it cleaned out, and the homeowner doesn't really like the existing wall here. So if you see Dan there, he's taking it apart. So we're gonna look to take everything apart here, rebuild and start new. That part she didn't like, and we were just doing a facelift on the front of it. Unfortunately, she really wanted something that started brand new, like one of her pictures we saw, which had a bridge and stuff. Obviously we don't have room for the bridge, but that's where we're at. So guys are going to unload the stuff that was going to come in here. We're going to work on taking this apart and get ourselves prepped, because they've got a wedding in 2 days. We're not going to get this built. We're just going to get this cleaned out now. So that's where we're at. All right, the afternoon, being in Old Westbury, we are demoing this wall. We've fucking help. Shh. We've got most of it. Oh, he said, yeah, by the time someone hears this, it's going to be a little while down the road that we won't be here to send help. Maybe we'll just bury John here in his rock wall.
Bury me with a regular sized sledgehammer.
Yeah. They brought the sledgehammer, but they brought like the 80-pound sledgehammer.
The only sledgehammer at the yard. It wasn't like
according to them. Yeah, the pile of debris is endless. They're going back. Still got more to take out of here.